House Wolin by Pankowska and Rohrhofer in Wolin, Poland. House Wolin was built as a holiday retreat for a private client embedded in the pastoral landscape of Poland's Baltic Sea coast. Its A-frame wooden structure is reminiscent of the so-called ubroda houses, prefabricated wooden houses that became a common typology for state-sponsored recreational areas during the communist era in Poland and offered a cost-effective solution for holiday facilities. The project examines the opposite end of Rem Koolhaas' statements on large structures, according to which the spatial separation between the core and envelope increases to such an extent that the interior and exterior become two distinct architectural entities. By contrast, House Wolin explores the opposite spatial phenomenon. Due to its small scale, the specific characteristics of its boundaries, transitioning between the interior and exterior, become the project's defining spatial quality. The house comprises 3 levels, each of which with its own distinctive attributes. The ground floor prominently opens up to the natural surroundings, with 2 expansive terraces extending the living area to create a fluid transition between the interior and exterior. Below ground level, the bathroom receives natural light through a small window, creating an introverted space. The sleeping area is located on the topmost level, where a generously proportioned window directs the view to the sky. The material palette of the house is characterized by pine wood. Plywood panels from pine are utilized for both the facade and interior walls, and the same material is extended to the interior furniture and cabinetry. The flooring consists of pine wood slats. Color plays a significant role in House Wolin and imbues each level with a distinctive atmosphere. The wooden slats and terraces at ground level are adorned in melon yellow. The bathroom features an earthy red color scheme. The plywood panels in the bedroom and the balcony floor on the upper level are stained in a calming shade of blue.